Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Capricorn, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So let's see what are these cards. First, guys, Capricorn. So we have Queen of Wands, Star in reverse, and Two of Cups in reverse. So Capricorn, you are someone really honest, trustworthy, loyal to the people you love. Maybe in this connection, this may be your energy or their energy towards you guys, and you are dedicated. So whatever you take up, it may be in your work, whatever choices you take up, you have that grit and perseverance. You work hard and you are a really friendly person. You help the people around you in your work situation or in your relationship. You are kind and compassionate, and you want you want to step into the next level of this connection. Maybe you want engagement or commitment, marriage maybe. But this person you are in love with, they are afraid of something. They have not given you the answer for your proposal or for this love. Maybe you are interested to take it to the next level. They are not showing any interest. Maybe they have some worries or fear in their mind, or maybe they are quite arrogant. They are not realizing the worth of your love, of yourself. Maybe they are not respecting you, or they do not have a very high they are not thinking really high of you guys. So they are not seeing you like you seeing them. So they see you in a different way, guys, Capricorn. So they have not yet realized your love or the depth of your love, or maybe your qualities, your finer qualities. They have not yet realized all that. So that is the reason they have not answered for your proposal or accepted your proposal. But you want this person, you love them. So there are some difficulties, guys. So if you want this connection to work, this relationship to work, you need to give them time, and you need to wait, guys. So this love will work if you give them time, and if you can wait for some time. They may see your see the depth of your love, and they will come to you, guys. That is what I see. So they have not realized your love yet. That is the reason they are not giving you the answer. And maybe in your career situation, guys, Capricorn, you are moving towards some partnership or collaboration that is going to give you more success and prosperity today, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card here. It says all that glitters. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe in your situation, in your relationship, the circumstance calls for you to see the truth, the genuine truth behind what this person is speaking or what they are showing you, guys. The need to see beyond the superficial. Maybe sometimes we try to impress people, and we we act or behave in such a way that is not true to our true nature. So we add more drama, and we make ourselves more appealing to the other person. We try to hide behind that sparkle and shine. And also sometimes we fail to see the true nature or the truth in that person when we often go for glitz and glamour, guys, which is so desirable. So we often miss the people who are truly genuine towards us. So it is time to look beyond the surface. That is what this card is about, beyond the mask, to see the essence of that other person and who that person is, not what he or she can give you. That is what is important, guys, the true essence of that person. So only if you connect with that true essence, with that truth, you are going to be able to truly connect with that other person. So you should not think of what this person can do for you. You should see what they are truly. So this is the time for you to see them with your heart. Let go of that artificial shine and sparkle that you see that is visible to you, and go for that authentic shine, what they are truthfully in their heart of hearts. So this may be your energy or that person's energy, guys. Maybe you are trying to hide something about yourself, or they are trying to hide something about themselves. So you need to go for truth. That is what this card is about, guys. Genuinity, authenticity, that is the card for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it is fair, brown and trembling gifts. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your situation today, you need not accept the fate what other people have allotted for you. You need to overcome your shyness and all that you have done, all that you have faced for this person, that humiliation and whatever pain you have endured. It has brought you something today, some positive changes today, and you need not accept what other people think of you, and you need not value the people who do not value you or respect you. So that is what this card is about. So you need to be with people who protect you, who respect you, and who will fight for you and search for you if you are not there. So you need to be with people who are there with you no matter what, and who love you for what you are and respect you genuinely, guys. So that is what this card is about. So who value you the most and who love you the most. And so even within your family or close friend circle, people really envy you. They are jealous of your gifts or the way things are in your situation. And you need to understand that your good fortune or gifts or whatever positive things you possess has been given to you, and it is your gift to enjoy, guys. You need not give away this happiness to someone else, because they may not realize its worth and they may not enjoy the fruits of your rewards, guys. So that is what this card is about. So you need to be with people who truly respect you and care for you, and you need not listen or respect to people who just see you as someone who can bear everything, who can take all humiliation, and you should not let others to use you. That is what this card is about, guys, and that is the meaning of this card. So that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.